MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Hum by Verizon, RockAuto.com, State Farm, Autotempest.com, and WeatherTech.
The Land Rover Defender's roots date back to 1948 with the Series 1. Introduced in 1983 under the Defender name, the light ute is used for military operations, fighting fires, camping, and much more. It was only offered in the US of A for 4 years. Production ended in 1997, but ECD Automotive Design in Kissimmee, Florida is refusing to let them die.
Although we didn't meet until quite 5 years ago, our upbringing was very similar. We were from pretty poor backgrounds in working towns in the UK.
After moving to the US and quickly selling the 2 Rovers Tom imported, a light bulb went off. The bread and butter of the show, a Defender 90 and 110.
Just like restoring any old Corvette, any old Toyota FJ, you want to start with that actual vehicle. We don't want to build kit cars. We want to restore Land Rovers.
Salt, sun, and rain work together to break down the aluminum and steel chassis parts on these UK imports. Rusty and corroded, point-of-no-return parts are scrapped here at the acclaimed Rover Dome during Step 1. This is a good time for the buyer's door hinge to be removed and framed for memorabilia.
It's like Graham's truck. I mean, that's got 30 years of history. Like, we have a folder this big, and the guy kept every single MOT test from England, every service, every little repair that was done, he kept every one of them.
Unlike a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon or Cadillac Escalade, these trucks are not generics off of an assembly line.
The base truck has still got that story. That's what we're selling. I don't think we're selling just a vehicle ultimately. We're selling a journey of how you custom build your own vehicle.
These are our mood boards. These basically lay out the description of the customer's exact preferences on their individual build. What makes their truck custom is all on this sheet. It's custom tailored to their specifications.
A part of ECD, East Coast Overhaul. Let's say you've already got a Defender and you want to put a new engine in. Come in here, you can do a LS3 Corvette engine, you could do the same 5.3 liter that you can find in my Chevy Silverado truck, and you can probably do just about anything else you want to.
Well, the original engines in these were anemic at best. You had a 4-cylinder turbo diesel, which made like 80 horsepower or something like that, or you had a 3.5 liter V8, which still made about nothing. So it doesn't really suit people's needs on American roads and trying to get up to highway speeds. So what we do is we swap out to reliable Chevrolet products.
ECD did $200,000 in sales their first year. Now they're at $8 million. So here it is, fresh out of the factory. This 110 is an NBA player's, Kent Bazemore, and we're driving it before he even takes delivery. He wanted carbon fiber trim with a very modern two-tone, and of course there is the honeycomb stitching on the seats. Everything is up to date, like this touchscreen infotainment system, a backup camera, and wireless charging for your cell phone. Under the hood, it is the heart of a Corvette, 565 horsepower LS3. For $180,000 up to $300,000, you get rid of the cold, metal interior and into something bespoke. But you won't forget what you're driving with heavy steering and off-road ready suspension. Considering what these 3 British best friends set out to build, these Defenders deliver.